What's your favorite part about going to the resort?
Swimming.
Liam, what's your favorite part?
Playing with toys in the resort.
Where?
In the pool.
What kind of toys?
My Power Ranger.
Are you worried about sharks at the resort?
Yeah.
What do you think about sharks?
Bad.
What are you going to do if you see one?
Punch it in the face.
What happens if that doesn't stop it? What are you going to do?
Get out of the pool.
What if it chases you onto land like a land shark?
They just have fins. They can't walk. Only alligators. Alligators have feet.
Hey, they could stand up on their fins and go waddle, 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 waddle.
What if it's an alligator shark and it has fins and feet and it chases you out of the water? What are you going to do then?
Push it back in the water.
What if it bites your arm and holds on when you're trying to push it?
I just hold on to its side.
And do what?
Hold on to its side and throw it back into water.
So after the alligator fight is over and you've beaten the alligator shark, what are you going to do after that?
Walked away from it.
Well, after you walk away in victory, how do you think you'll feel?
Good.
Good, because you've won a fight against an alligator shark.
Yeah.
What'll happen if you don't win the fight?
The alligator shark will eat me for lunch.
Do you think that you would be tasty?
No, we can't pull my head off.
Yeah, you could. Sharks can pull anything off.
Not chicken heads.
Are you a chicken head?
No.
Well, so they can pull your head off?
No.
Do you think, Liam, that you would be a tasty treat for a shark gator?
I'll be faster. The alligator shark can't get me because I might be a ninja and I'll be faster. Ninjas are fast.
So you're a part ninja?
Yeah.
How much?
I'm 40 fast.
You're 40 fast.
Yeah, I want to see it. See that?
Yeah.
That means the alligator shark can't get me.
What if it gets wings and it flies?
It just takes wings from birds and tape it together.
The shark alligator bird.
So this shark alligator bird, how are you going to defeat it?
Just slide under it.
What are you going to do when it lays down on its belly and it doesn't let you slide under it and it lays on top of you?
Well, ninjas slide under bellies are fast. Ninja slides are fast.
Okay. So you feel pretty confident that with your ninja skills, you're going to be able to beat the shark alligator bird?
Yeah.
And what are you going to say to it after you defeat it? Give it a message right here. In case he's watching, say something to the video camera that the shark alligator bird might hear. Here it is. Look right here and say it.